In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unable to create draft error on Facebook Ads Manager. 5 minutes. If you're stuck with that frustrating message when trying to create a campaign, ad set, or ad, don't worry. This is usually a temporary glitch tied to your browser data, session state, or account status. I'll walk you through 4 reliable fixes and we'll keep it simple and clear. First, start with your browser. Head into your browser settings and clear cookies and cached files specifically for Facebook. This removes stale data that can block Ads Manager from saving a new draft. In most browsers, you can clear site-specific data so you don't wipe everything. Look for the option to manage cookies and data for individual sites, search for Facebook, and clear it. Once that's done, reload Ads Manager and log in again. You should now have a fresh session with clean storage, which often resolves the error right away. If the issue persists, try a different browser or device. Sometimes extensions, outdated versions, or a quirky profile can interfere. Switching to another browser or even testing from a phone or a different computer helps you quickly isolate whether the problem is local to your setup. A clean profile or private window can also reduce conflicts without changing your normal settings. Next, check your account quality. Open Facebook's account quality section and make sure your personal profile and the ad account you're using don't have restrictions, policy violations, or pending reviews. If your profile or ad account is limited, Ads Manager may block draft creation until the issue is resolved. Follow any prompts you see there and confirm everything is in good standing. This step is easy to overlook, but it's critical because even a small restriction can stop new drafts from being created. Finally, log out of Facebook and log back in. A simple sign out refreshes your authentication token and clears temporary session glitches. Close your Ads Manager tab, sign out fully, then log in again and return to Ads Manager to try creating the draft. To recap, clear Facebook cookies and cache, try a different browser or device, make sure account quality is clean, and refresh your session by logging out and back in. Run through these in order, and you'll usually be back to building campaigns in minutes. If you found this helpful, save it for the next time Ads Manager acts up, and you'll have a quick playbook ready to go.